So sorry this is so late, but this is my project for week 4. So this is my index PHP folder. So you open in browser. I'm gonna just exit out that one. So you have this, and so the browser is working, the nav bar, the header, all that stuff's working, and the footer. So you got all that auto linked. So you go to my account and you come to this Acme login, and so this doesn't work, but it doesn't need to for this project. Um, you can create an account and you can do that. And my account is on every page and it doesn't show a reload error because it works. And then create account, but you can go home, my account, create account, and it all works. And then you can go to my account, which will take you back here. You can go home. So all the links work. Um, show valid HTML. So this one. No, it's valid. Let's go to this one. Show the HTML. It's valid. And then we'll go to this one. Oh, whoops, sorry. And then we'll validate this HTML. And then if we go here and so now we're still on registration. We validate local CSS. Great, it works. So we go back to my account, local CSS, no errors. And then if we go home, I didn't show this last time, but I just about clicked the button. Anyway, locally CSS, no errors. So that is this project. I'm sorry again that it's so late, but thank you for allowing me to turn it in for even just some credit. Better than a 0. Anyway, there's my project.